What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we have quite a treat right here. We have what feels like 1, 2, maybe 3 knives to check out in this package. With that being said, doing the honors today, we have the Tuya Wrath. This is the V2. This one's all blacked out titanium with a DLC on that savage drop point dual ground blade right there, which I love so much. It is a frame lock. Really been having a great time with the Wrath 2 because the Wrath 1 from Tuya was already so great. So the 2, it's just basically perfecting that formula a little bit more and really makes a great EDC knife. So I'm having a blast with this one. Of course, this knife that's doing the honors today and every other knife that you see in this video, including the ones in the package, of course, will be linked down below. So if you want to check availability, prices, variants, and all that good stuff, check those links in the description and also in the pinned comments as well. If you end up purchasing a knife through those links, it does help out the channel at 0 extra cost to you. All right, there we go. Come on now. All right, just remember these have the little sticky stuff anyway, so there'll be some tape plus the sticky stuff from the package by default. And man, we got quite a bit of knives right here, so let's make some room. We got, boom, a Divo knife. Wonder what that one is. Then we got another Divo knife. What? Then we got, you guessed it, a Divo knife. Okay. What else is in here? Some packing peanuts. All right, check that out. So all kinds of Divo knives. Let's check out the next Divo knife right here. And this one, we do have a hint. We have the Growler V2. This is the wave carbon fiber with the bead blast 154 cm steel. Right, you got your Divo box as usual, and let's go ahead and get it unboxed. I got the Knife Standards sticker right there. Check out his channel if you haven't already. Of course, this knife is coming via Lefty EDC Knives Pass Around, so check out Kevin, aka Lefty EDC. Got a wiping cloth right here, and here is the knife. Right, let's make some room, shall we? Boom. And by the way, Divo Knives, in case you don't know, is owned by Lefty EDC, aka Kevin Johnson, and Colin Mason Pierre from CM Designs. And here is the Growler. Now, we got a chance to check out the Growler, I want to say V2, but it was the Stormtrooper aesthetics. This one has different materials. Of course, you can check out the unboxing and upcoming review on the V2, but this is a different variant. We have carbon fiber, weave carbon fiber going on, which already, tell you what, looks beautiful, right? Just checking it out, the way the light hits it from different angles, looks nice. This one has the purple accents, right? And this is what I meant on the other Divo video, right? They're very typical pivot, has the DK embossed in, right? Looks very nice. Here's what the other side looks like. And that purple accent is matched right here with the purple backspacer. It's also pretty good. I want to say that is titanium. Right, feeling some pull to it. I'm feeling pull towards the liners, but not the actual backspacer. So titanium backspacer. We have recessed liners on here, big hardware. And without further ado, let's get this thing open. Right. By the way, we have the wire pocket clip, which is easily reversible as well. That's nicely executed. And here we go. We got the opening right here, blade opening hole for thumb deployment and reverse flick. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. I'm gonna do the thumb deployment first. Bam. All right, that is, man, that is one beautiful bead blasted finish right there. That is, man. Kevin, can we, Colin, can we get this finish more and more in upcoming knives? Because that is just very awesome looking. Now, don't get me wrong, right? I like a stone wash as much as I like a satin finish. My favorite is a belt satin finish. But, you know, you got to appreciate the different finishes, right? This bead blasted looks very nice. And, of course, something that the Growler has going for it. First of all, ergonomics, right? So standard grip feels really good. Boom, I'm locked in on this hammer grip right here. And then I have this finger choil / sharpening choil. And I can forward choke on this bad boy. And with the extensive jimping on that blade, I can lock in here or here or here or here. Wherever I want to lock in my thumb, I'm good to go. So really appreciate, you know, the longer jimping on the Growler. I said that during the original unboxing video. I'll say it again about this one because I'm digging it, right? And it feels good and very functional as well. No doubt about that. 154 cm steel, right? So that's like a pretty much like a level above D2 14C28N Nitro V, right? Under other steels like S35VN or S30V, things like that. So that being said, let's go ahead and we have a liner lock, and we are on ball bearings. So not a guillotine shot, but more like a shake shutter, right? So that feels really good. We'll do it a couple of times here. So yeah, thumb deployment feels good. Let's get that reverse flick, which you guys already know is my favorite. Bam, that feels like money right there. Check it out. Boom. One more time. Bam. All right, that is solid, you guys. You could probably do this other one right here. Ooh, how about that one? Get creative with it. So good access to that liner, by the way, which is nice and toothy, right? Got some jimping going on that liner, which definitely helps with the pushing the liner out of the way. Not all that difficult to do, by the way. So very functional, kind of on the smooth side, not stiff at all. And check out the alignment right there. That looks smack in the middle to me. You guys be the judge. And of course, the pocket clip, you know, deep carry. I want to give that pocket clip a solid 9.5 out of 10, right? That just sort of, it falls right here, this section in the hand, and I barely feel it at all. Not to mention, this is the sort of pocket clip, wire clip that goes very easily, very well in and out of the pocket. The liners are milled on the inside. Not sure if the camera can catch that. There you go, from that angle, right? On both sides, actually. So yeah, it makes for a very lightweight knife, as you would expect. So carbon fiber, obviously, already helping with that a ton. So the V2 in this weave carbon fiber config here, coming in at 3.6 ounces, which translates to 102 grams for my friends across the pond. So for reference, the Pony Stout that we looked at was 3.5. That one had titanium handles, right? And again, this one comes in at 3.6. So yeah, larger knife, right? Not that much of a weight difference, right? Let's do some size comparisons, shall we? So here is the Divo Growler V2, right? In its full glory. Pony Stout next to it right there. It's a little bit shorter. The Divo NIP is also going to be a little bit shorter as well, right? And the Divo NIP also has the DK logo, right? Color pivot color going on as well, right? So check it out, right? Some of the Divo family members right there. Also going to throw in here the Atelier from Giant Mouse. Check out this one. It's a little bit shorter than the Growler V2, right? It has L-Max and titanium handles, right? Milled titanium handles. I'm currently carrying this one as well, and it's been a great experience so far. But let's do some of the usuals here on the channel. Here's the PM2, Spyderco PM2 and Pair 3. There we go. So I want to say definitely Pair 3 size. I'm not sure if they use the Pair 3 as a benchmark or not, but it feels like pretty much the exact same size. So you guys be the judge there. Let me know. Demko AD 20.5 and the Shark Cub right there, smaller brother. So the Growler V2, a little bit larger, not by much, by a hair here, a little bit larger than the regular Demko AD 20.5. Take a look there for yourself. Two very popular knives from last year, the Civivi Vision FG and the Sentinel Strike. Check it out. And last but not least, also the very popular Vosteed Raccoon, which actually matches size-wise very well. And here's the Pyrite, another very popular knife from last year. Also, the Pyrite being a little bit shorter. All right, check them out there in their full glory. Again, the idea here is that if you have any of those knives, or you more or less have a ballpark idea where these land. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing here some action, shall we? Let's do our scientific cutting test, right? Cutting some cardboard. I'm already cutting bits and pieces from this paper. Check out them swirls right there. One of them fell on the, look at this thing. Look at that. Yeah. So yeah, this thing is sharp to say the least. And it has a full flat grind, quite a lot of belly to it as well. So yeah, you can get very controlled cuts through and through. Man, I think I caught there for a second, but yeah, very, ooh, that is one sharp edge. And it's not even, right, this is the factory edge, but it's not brand new out of the box edge. This one has certainly been seeing some use, of course, and it still seems to be holding a pretty good edge. So we know I can cut paper. What about some cardboard? I have some everyday Amazon box type of cardboard. All right, this one's a little bit thinner than usual, but it is a single wall cardboard. It's pretty much what you are going to end up kind of, you know, breaking down a home anyway. So single wall cardboard. Remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular, but rather at an angle like that. And this one's just going to go through it like crazy. I'm going to go a little bit slower at first, but then I'm going to go a little bit my normal pace. Yeah, going through that material like it's nobody's business. See, now I'm doing a little bit more faster cuts. And there is no doubt, this thing is a slicing machine. That is a growler in a nutshell. Just a slicing beast is what it is. So when you do get some cuts done, right, you're going to have like some lines and things like that from the cardboard or what have you. It's okay. Bring your wiping cloth. Give it a nice little wipe. And you are good to go, right? I don't know about you guys, but you know, typically when I use my knife, I like to give it a nice clean, right? Cleaning wipe right there, bring it back to its beautiful state, and then, you know, it's ready for whenever it's gonna see some more action again. So you guys write it in the comments, how sharp is this guy, right? How much of a factory or edge has it retained? Let me know. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the Growler V2. Again, not the first time checking it out here in the channel. Check out the original unboxing of that black and white Stormtrooper version that we looked at. This one has the more premium material, the carbon fiber, the purple accents, 154 cm steel, and you got the same great ergonomics. Makes a great EDC knife, super slicey, awesome EDC blade. I mean, this is one of Divo's designs that I feel they absolutely knocked it out of the park. And trust me, they have plenty of more ergonomic and awesome EDC friendly designs where this one came from. So if you're completely new to Divo knives, definitely check out their lineup. There's definitely something on there that you are going to like, no doubt whatsoever. So if you made it to the end, you are the real MVP. Let me know in the comments what questions, concerns do you have that I can address during the review video. As you guys know by now, this is just a quick unboxing, first impressions video. I will be dropping the full comprehensive review here soon. As part of the original black and white version, I might add some clips of this one in there as well. This knife and every other knife that you saw in this video will be linked down below. So if you're interested on checking it out, right, what's available. I can't guarantee availability with Divo knives. They basically come in and out of stock pretty often. So just check those affiliate links down below. There's a possibility you may find them in stock depending on where in the future you're watching this video. Either way, it does help out the channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. That being said, guys, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I make knife and EDC content like this on an ongoing basis. You will not be disappointed. Smash that like button if you got value out of this video. And if you want to support the channel a step further, there's a link for Patreon down below. Or you can simply support the channel right here on YouTube. By becoming a channel member, you'll get access to exclusive perks. Check out the unboxing video here on the Pony Stout right there on your left, or the unboxing video on the Divo NIP right here on your right. Awesome, again, very EDC friendly Divo knives designs. Can't go wrong with either one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on the screen for you guys. Again, thank you so much for all your love and support. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And I'll catch you guys on the next video, either this one or this one. Peace.